fellow RESO members, guess what I got in the mail today? Yes, a box. That must mean it's time for an unboxing. It is time for the great unboxing of the latest box from RESO. So we're going to open this up, see what's inside. Okay, I have no idea. It is, oh my God, a RESO hood hat. Oh my God, RESO standards. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, whoever thought of this is extremely clever. So let's take a look at what it might look like on different people.